This is Frankie McDowell, my own TV station, live from the Neville Park. Denver, Colorado's getting the snow on Tuesday night into Wednesday. Denver, Colorado's going to be 50 plus centimeters of snow on Tuesday night. Denver, Colorado's going to get a major blizzard with 50 plus centimeters of snow on the ground. There will be a ton of high winds and everything, and blowing snow in white oak conditions at near visibility zero, and zero visibility for Denver, Colorado, and rest of Colorado. People in Denver, have your shovels ready, have your snow scoops ready, and snow blowers. People in Denver, have your candles and flashlights and coolers and camp stoves in. When the power goes out, have packed ice to keep all your food cold. And have all your batteries ready. And have your lanterns ready, and have your battery operated lanterns ready. Light all the candles in the house, and since the power might go out in Denver, Colorado on Tuesday night and Wednesday. Denver, Colorado is going to be 50 plus centimeters of snow. People in Denver, be prepared for a major blizzard. Denver is going to get a major blizzard. It's going to be a huge snowstorm in Denver. Ton of snow and ton of high winds in Denver, Colorado. Snowstorm will be so powerful in Denver. Supposed to be a lot of cold air coming from the Arctic. And a huge snowstorm is going to hit Denver, Colorado. It's going to be a ton of snow, ton of high winds. Lot of shoveling to do after a major blizzard. Lot of snow plows will be on the streets in Denver, Colorado. People in Denver, be prepared. It's going to be a ton of snow and ton of high winds. It's going to affect northern New Mexico as well. And northern New Mexico is going to get a lot of blizzards as well. And eastern Colorado is going to get a lot of blizzards too. Including Denver, Colorado. Have your salt trucks ready. Put the salt on the road. And make break the power lines. And make break transformers. There will be over 5 feet of snow on the ground in Denver, Colorado. Ton of snow and ton of high winds is going to hit Denver, Colorado. It's going to be a lot of snow, a lot of high winds. People in Denver, please wear your winter boots and winter jackets, winter hats, winter gloves, and scarves, and ski pants. People in Denver, be prepared for a major snowstorm. Best of luck to you. People in Denver, be prepared for a huge snowstorm. Good luck. And don't forget, temperature will go down to below zero after a major snowstorm in Denver, Colorado. And the Fahrenheit temperature will be far below 32 degrees Fahrenheit in Denver, Colorado. It's gonna be a ton of snow. It's going to hit Denver, Colorado. Blizzard warning has been issued for Denver, Colorado. Best luck to you. People in Denver, Colorado, be prepared for a major blizzard. Good luck.